Like the flowing water of a river, a mother's love is quiet, deep, and constant. The river never asks questions. It simply makes its way forward. When rocks appear, it wears them down. When turns come, it bends itself. But it never stops flowing. A mother does the same. She faces the hardships of life, puts her own wishes aside, hides her tiredness behind a smile, just so her children's journey becomes easier. The river keeps its banks green, quenches the thirst of the thirsty, gives life to the land, while slowly it diminishes itself. A mother, too, keeps giving herself away, her sleep, her happiness, her peace, giving everything without ever counting.